This is a Grand Aire heat pump at a gas station. There's a suction accumulator, compressor, reversing valve, all that stuff. Alright. 2012 3-ton. Don't think I have much time. Some refrigerated components. Don't think it has been running. Nope. Or you know what? I actually might have been running in cool mode. Or actually, not sure. And it has R22 refrigerant. Gentech fan motor. And yeah, there's the refrigerator components again. Those two over there are HTPs, and I'm not sure about this one. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Out.